So I've installed a completely new power supply unit on my big old PC here. Kind of running wires right now. I don't even have it installed. But it's making me run Windows Startup Repair. I'll give it a minute and then... It's exactly why you have a bin of crappy things in your house. Because you want to have a mouse sort of like this, so you can plug it in right here, and therefore end startup repair when it won't do anything for 30 minutes straight. Bruh. Welcome, Windows 7 Enterprise. My favorite operating system. There it is. It booted.